Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Planner for simple task management. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Planner website. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Planner dashboard. Click on the New Plan button located on the left side of the screen. A pop-up will appear asking for the plan name. Enter a descriptive name for your new plan. Decide whether your plan will be public or private. If you choose public, anyone in your organization can see it. Click on the Create Plan button to finalize your setup. Once created, you will see a blank board with buckets ready for your tasks. To add a new bucket, click on Add New Bucket. Enter a name for your bucket and hit Enter. Now, let's add tasks to your plan. Click on the plus Add Task button under your desired bucket. A new window will pop up for task details. Enter a task name and set a due date if needed. You can also assign the task to team members. Select Assign and choose the appropriate members from your team. Click Add Task to save it to your bucket. Continue adding tasks by repeating the previous steps. To track progress, you can move tasks between buckets. Drag and drop tasks to indicate their status. You can also add checklists, attachments, and comments to each task. To view all your tasks in one list, click on Charts in the toolbar. This feature allows you to see task status and distribution at a glance. Use the calendar to visualize upcoming tasks and deadlines more effectively. As your project evolves, feel free to update task details and reassign jobs as necessary. Regularly review your plan to adjust priorities based on progress. This setup will help you streamline your task management process effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.